receive benefits, that therefore there are no beneficiaries.
Hindi ko po sinasabi yan, hindi po to black or white, at hindi ko po sinasabi na hindi nakatanggap ito, ibig sabihin wala pong na-disburse. Ang sinasabi ko po, 4 na taon na po ang nakalipas, 4 na taon po kayong nawala, at nagsagawa ng investigasyon. Ang nakarang kongreso, wala po ako dito noon. Binasa ko lang po yung committee report. At kung talagang may mga nakatanggap na mga beneficiaryo at mga grupo ng magsasaka, ay sana po sila na yung pumunta rito at nagtanggol sa inyo, nagtanggol sa Department of Agriculture at sa mga nagsagawa ng proyektong ito.
Well, as I said, Your Honor, now that you are having your investigation, I'm sure all this information that you need will be duly provided.
I will not press that issue any further. I simply wanted to give Mr. Bolante a chance to clarify what he has been saying all these 6 hours, for you to tell us the truth. Because we know that deep in your heart, you know the truth. That the 728 million, each and every centavo of those precious funds needed by the farmers, not all of that really went to the farmers. But never mind if you may not be in a position to tell us now.
Mr. Chairman, with the permission of Senator Legarda, just one quick point. Just a clarification, meron ka nabanggit 91% liquidated?
Yes.
That's what he said. It's with the DA. So we will subpoena those documents.
What does that mean? 91%?
91% of the 728 million has been liquidated.
According to whom?
This is based on the record of the Department of Agriculture, I suppose.
Mr. Bolante, if that is true, then the committee report of the previous Congress, written and chaired by Senators Arroyo and Magsaysay, should have contained that. But anyhow, I will request, Mr. Chairman, that the documents from the Department of Agriculture be subpoenaed and be submitted immediately to this committee.
Just a observation, and with the permission of Senator Legarda. If you know that 91% was liquidated, how come earlier ang sinasabi mo, wala ka nang alam kasi nag-resign ka na? So which is which?
He said a 91%.
Ako po ay nakipag-ugnayan po ako kay
kasi pagka ang tinig ko rito, pagka ayaw mong sagutin, wala ka na doon, naka-resign ka na. Pag gusto mong sagutin, meron kang alam na sagutin. Parang, well, this is just my observation. If you want to react to it, go ahead.
Yes. Your Honor, I have been saying, I mentioned this 91% liquidation since this morning.
In all fairness, I heard that this morning, Mr. Chairman, I want to see the list of all those beneficiaries, 91% of 728 million.
Yes.
Because this should have been contained in the committee report.
Yes. With the permission of Senator Legarda. That's not the point. I heard that this morning. My point precisely is this: when you are unable to, or you wish not to divulge information, you say wala na ako doon, nag-resign na ako. But when you want information to be brought to the attention of this committee, you have information. You know that 91%, according to you, was liquidated. That is something that I'd like to clarify. Pagka may mga informasyon na gusto namin malaman at ayaw mong ibigay, sasabihin mo, nag-resign na ako. Pero pagka may information na gusto mong malaman namin, kanina pa lang umaga, alam mo.
Yes,
yun lang
thank you.
Your Honor.
Simple lang po ang katanungan ko. Kung alam pala ninyo na 91% ay na-liquidate na, at alam niyo pong haharap kayo sa Senado ngayon pagkatapos ng 4 na taon, nalinilin lang niyo ang taong bayan, ba't hindi po niyo dinala yung papeles na galing sa Department of Agriculture at yung listahan ng lahat ng beneficiaryo para po maniwala kami sa inyo? At hindi niyo ibibigay ang listahan ng mga congressman na tumatanggi na sila'y tumanggap.
Your Honor, nalaman ko lang po yan this morning nung nag-uusap kami ni Mr. Montes that sa pakipag-ugnayan ni Mr. Montes sa Department of Agriculture, nakuha po yung information that 91% na po as of this month ay na-liquidate. Kaya nga po, dinisclose ko po in good faith because I feel it's a relevant information.
That is very relevant, and I think, Mr. Chairman, I don't think you've issued the order, but it's understood that we are requesting the Department of Agriculture to submit immediately within the next 24 hours, because these should be documents which are ready and made public.
I'm directing the Secretariat to communicate with the Department of Agriculture and get the documents right away. May I just remind the witness, you have to testify on items on your personal knowledge. Meaning, kung sinabi lang sa inyo, but you want to pass that information, you have to say, na Mr. Montes told me, or I read in the newspaper, because when you say 91%, you're an authority. USEC po kayo eh. So that confuses us because kanina, sabi nyo, hindi nyo alam, ngayon biglang 91%. So if you do want to give that information, you're free to do so, but cite your source if it's not your personal knowledge, sir. Because for example, tomorrow ipadala sa amin 50% lang. Baka may mag-motion dito na perjury yan because we find out, then you'll tell us pa lang na sinabi lang sa inyo. So anyway, let me give you that reminder and give back the floor to Senator Legarda.
I apologize, Mr. Chairman, and thank you for the advice. I'm not a lawyer, so I was just being candid about it.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, just to make sure that Mr. Volante knows, he is under oath, and only upon second or third questioning did he say that this was upon the information gathered by his friend, Mr. Montes, who was Undersecretary or Assistant Secretary, and therefore this is not first-hand information. And if proven wrong, this could be false testimony, and you can be charged in contempt. Before that, may I request, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Montes to tell us whether he knows it as a fact that 91% of the 768 million has been liquidated as of November 2008. Maari po naming malaman kung saan po nyo nakalap yung impormasyon na binulong po nyo kay Mr. Volante ngayon. Pagkatapos po ay babalik ako kay Mr. Volante. Mr. Montes.
Mr. Chairman, may I ask that this gentleman be placed under oath?
Yes, let me just remind you that you're still under oath.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. It was just relayed to me through the phone because we inquired.
Sino po ang nagsabi sa inyo?
An office staff member.
Sino po yung opisina? Kaninong opisina?
Sa DA
Sino
po.
po? Sino nga po sa DA? Malaki po ang DA.
One of the staff of...
Please
staff.
name the name of the staff. Please name the staff and the office and the position of the person who gave you the information.
From the office of Yuseklin Gonzalez.
Pakiulit po. Pakisabi po ng pangalan ng taong tumawag sa inyo na nagbigay ng impormasyon. Wala pong masama doon. Tumutulong po sa komite na nagbibigay ng impormasyon.
Madam, Your Honors, it was from the office of Yuseklin Gonzalez.
Sino po ang tumawag sa inyo na nagsabi na 91% po ng 768 million ay na-liquidate na?
Yuseklin Gonzalez po.
Undersecretary
Belinda Gonzalez.
Belinda Gonzalez. Mr. Chairman, maaari po natin hilingin si Yusek Belinda Gonzalez na dumating dito sa ating, anyway, darating sila because of the public hearings, the finance hearings, the budget hearings and plenary.
But we intend to invite some of the DA officials. Former Yusek Volante mentioned that those who should be responsible are either the USEC for operations and or the regional directors. No? So we're taking note of that invitation so that we can ask them the same questions we asked Yusek Volante.
And just for the record, hindi ko po kilala si Yusek Gonzalez. Wala pong masama na siya'y tumawag. In fact, nakakatulong po yung impormasyon na yan dahil sa 7 oras pong paikot-ikot tayo dito, ngayon nung natin napuntos na 91% liquidated. Aba, kung totoo yan, dapat yun ang inyong research ng inyong 2 linggo sa St. Luke's at dapat yun ang dala nyong armas dito para po tapos ng usapang ito na 4 na taon na pong paikot-ikot. Anyway, iintayin po namin yan. Salamat, Mr. Montes. Pangalawa po kay Mr. Volante, tinawag po na double corruption ang 728 million. Bakit po double corruption itong fertilizer fund scam? Dahil una, yung foliar fertilizer na nabanggit na kanina ay hindi nga daw gamay para sa bigas, kundi sa mga ornamental plants gaya ng orchids at hindi naman kailangan ng mga magsasaka daw. Pangalawa, na ito daw ay overpriced. 700 pesos, 700% up to 1,250% ang overpriced. It's unimaginable. 700 to 1,250% overpriced ang abonong ito.